Evidence that you see in here by watching Mr. Pronovost differentiating instruction through interactive games that support what has been learned thus far regarding setting and communicating learning objectives, using the gradual release model, giving feedback and assessment. In viewing the video differentiating instruction through interactive games that support what has been learned thus far regarding setting and communicating learning objectives, using the gradual release model, giving feedback and assessment, I was intrigued by the simple method of first having Mr. Pronovost instructing his students and then allowing each student to utilize technology via videos, computer games, or the whiteboard to assess their performance. Once this performance was developed on a repetitive basis for learning, students were allowed to go to higher heights on their own with little instruction from the teacher. How does he specifically structure his lesson to incorporate technology? And how does using technology promote differentiation? In instructing his lesson, Mr. Pronovost incorporates technology with the idea that each student is responsible for their learning, and once this learning has been achieved with the enhancement of technology, motivation is promoted by video games and other teaching mechanisms that make it fun to learn technology. This learning promotes the differences in teaching and the means by which students learn by using 21st century skills to promote differentiation. What evidence is there of varying levels of cognition? The evidence of varying levels of cognition shows that preliminary views show that instruction differs in the time of reasoning and conceptually oriented activities that will cause change and accomplish achievement and interact with cognitive skills, which in turn will predict growth in math, excelling to heights of academic success. Additional analysis reveals that exploration of the characteristics of classrooms and teacher involvement foster engagement and productive student behavior, one of the main goals of accomplishing cognitive ability in math for grades 3 through 5. How do you believe this type of learning environment makes students feel about their capabilities with math, and why? With math, which most students struggle with, this type of differentiation provides a sense of, I can do this, because I have the confirmation visualized in the technology provided. Each game or video provides a successful learning achievement mode to allow the students to know what problems they encounter while trying to solve the problem, and the success that is accomplished when their goal has been successfully achieved.